Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, the following topics will be covered. First, we shall understand what is stock counting. Businesses may have a wide variety of products, and at times there might be a chance of mismatch between the physical quantity and the quantity on hand. So, the stock counting option helps you to update the stock on hand for proper management while doing the physical stock counting. So, let's see how to create a stock count. Go to the menu, click on Inventory module. Under Journals, click on Stock Counting. To create a new stock count, click on this Create button. Here in the warehouse, you can select the warehouse or a store for which you want to do the stock counting. So let's select store 5. In the counter location, select this virtual location inventory adjustment option. Then in the analytical account, you will find your store or a warehouse analytical account created which you can choose. Now in the inventory of option, you can select whether you want to do the stock counting of all the products or you want to select the products manually. If you select this option that you want to do the stock counting of selected products only, then the system would update the stock of only those products that have been selected and will leave the rest. And if you select this option, then the system would update the entire stock for the selected warehouse, that is store 5, and will make the stock to 0 for the quantities you haven't counted. Now here in the inventory date, it is very important to enter the right date. Let's say you want to do the stock counting on this day, that is 2nd September. Now if you are doing the stock count at the start of the day of 2nd September, then you need to select the previous day, that is 1st of September. Because if you select 2nd September, the system would also consider the sales of 2nd September in the counting. But if you are doing the stock counting at the end of the day of 2nd September, then you need to select this day only. Now for this example, we'll select this option, that is select products manually, and click on the save button. Now we shall see how to import lines, as we have selected this option, which is to do the stock counting of certain products only for this store, that is store 5. So we'll select certain products for which we would do the stock counting. So I will go to the new tab. Now here in the stock hand, I have applied the store 5 filter, as we are doing the stock count for the store 5, and I have also applied the filter for the brand. So we'll take this example, that is Aha Style brand, under which we have 4 products. So we'll make the stock count for all these 4 products. As you can see in the physical quantity, all the physical quantities of these products are displayed here. Now for this example, we'll apply multiple unit of measurement for this product. So I'll open the product in the new tab. So this is the product on which we'll apply multiple unit of measurement. So click on edit. Here in the product UOM, we'll enter one more unit of measurement, that is dozens, and we'll save it. Then we'll again click on the edit button, and here in the barcodes, we'll select the product, enter the barcode, and here in the unit of measurement, we'll select dozens and click on the save button. Now we shall import the products. So we'll click on this load file, then click on the download inventory lines, and a CSV file will be downloaded. This is the file that has been downloaded. Here you need to enter details like product code, quantity and lot or serial number. Now here in the code you can enter the product code or the product barcode. Both are possible. Also note that while entering the product code, the system would automatically take the base unit of measurement. Also, if you are maintaining the products in lot or serial wise, then it is mandatory to enter the lot or serial number for those products. Now we shall enter the details. As we have entered all the details here, you can see these two are the same products. But here we have entered the product code and here we have entered the barcode, and in the quantity we have entered 1. And here we have entered all the quantities that we have achieved after doing the physical count. Now we will save this file. Now we shall upload the file. So click on upload, select the file and click on import. Now here, as you can see, all the details entered in the file are displayed here. Now as you know, for this barcode we had set the unit of measurement as dozens, and in the file we had entered quantity as 1, but here it's showing 12 pieces. This is because the system has taken the base unit of measurement for this product. Also note, if you have entered the wrong product code or barcode or lot or serial number, then after the import the system would show that product line as red, and here it would show you as fail along with the reason. Now as you can see, the status of the stock counting is in draft. So once you click on the start inventory, the status has changed to in progress. Once the status is in progress, the inventory details option would get displayed, and since we had chosen the option to select products manually, so here you can only see those products for which we had done the physical counting. Now the theoretical quantity is the system quantity, which means that this much is the quantity according to the system. Now this quantity is the actual quantity that we have achieved after doing the physical count, and here is the difference quantity between the theoretical quantity and the actual quantity. Then there is unit cost and total amount. Now let's say you want to cross verify or recheck this data, so you can export the data into the Excel file. So for that, click here on the details option, then click here and select export, and then click on the export to file option. So this is the file in which you can cross-check or verify your data. After cross-checking all the data, if everything is okay, you can go back here and select this validate inventory option. Once you have selected the validate inventory option, the system would post the difference quantity and update the inventory. And here, as you can see, the status has changed to validated. Now we will see how the changes are reflected. So I will open the stock on hand in the new tab. In the stock on hand, now here in the search bar, I will press enter and refresh it. And here, as you can see, the system has updated the physical quantity with the quantity that we had achieved while doing the physical counting. Once the inventory is posted and updated, we shall see what is the financial impact for this stock counting. Now as you can see, for this stock count, the net impact is negative. So we will click here in the journal entries and click here, and in the journal items, as you can see, the system has created a journal entry. As the net impact is in negative, the system has credited the inventory account and has debited the stock adjustment or provision account.